ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe us. Yeah, make sure that's going the right way. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give us thumbs up. We want a lot of videos so we get more people watching. If you like my videos, just share them to everybody you know, because we're into toys and hobbies and slot cars and everything. We just got in the Snake Mongoose set a couple days ago, selling really well. But now we want to do a new offer, which I didn't realize I could do on our website, but my son, he doesn't tell me really things in detail. He got me real upset. So what we did is Auto World offers the Dragstrip Racing Pro Racing Dragstrip Return Loop. Okay, so the Dragstrip is just one dragstrip. It's just a straight. There's no curves or anything. Well, some people like at the end of the race, then you can drive your car all the way back to the front gate. So they came out with the loop, okay? So you can really just kind of do a circle race. And so what I got tons of curves and I have tons of straights. And so I'm offering the return loop. When you buy it, you can either buy the set or buy it as now, can they buy it separately though?
We'll create a new item for that.
Okay, so we'll have to create an item. But if you go to the website now, you'll see the Snake Mongoose set, and you can click just standard set or with return loop, and it's $179. So you can get it for $179 with the return loop, or a standard set for $149.99. And we're going to be offering it's SR3 230 for $39.99, the return loop. It will be a new item I'm going to be adding when I get all the images done and everything. So we're going to be offering that to our consumers. You're going to get 4 curves, okay, because one will be at the end of the drag strip, and then you'll get 11 straights to make that. This will be a huge oval set. And this is just for drag racing. So if you want to have a return loop, and then you can do other else. But so you can buy the Snake Mongoose set with just the set, or with the return loop for $179.99. It's a great deal, great price. And this is at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give us thumbs up. Listen to me.